Here we have the ghetto peacock. It seems to have gotten lost from its natural habitat. We must tread softly, as they are known to attack. Oh, he spotted us, don't move. We must remain completely still. An encounter with death. So close this time. So majestic.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Been out a little bit. Been busy being a parent, husband, going back to work, and it's been rainy, so it hasn't really been fun to be working out in the garage. But finally got an afternoon where I can play with this car. We're gonna be taking more steps to turning this into a solid daily driver. Now I got a couple things coming up for the Supra and the Matrix. You guys will have to stick around and see what's going on there, but let's just say I'm gonna need to be able to drive this every day for a little bit. Went and ordered a bunch of stuff from Rock Auto. We got suspension components, sway bar end links, some ball joints, some tie rod ends, some rear sway bar end links, some brakes, and maybe if I get this done early enough, we'll be able to get some new tires and get an alignment for this. Stick around.
Kicks like Jackie.
Alright, so this is my first time taking off the passenger side wheel and really looking at this. I knew I needed sway bar end links just looking at the other one, but surprise, we also need a CV axle. Didn't see that coming, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that too. I gotta get one. Alright, whatever this is torqued to, these strut tower bolts, it's definitely got to be like over factory spec. These, either that or it's just been on for hella long. Breaker bar time. Oh. Alright, that was anticlimactic. Taking off the lower ball joint, it's gonna be breaker bar everything. Let's see if I got the juice. I got my ball joint separator on. Let's get it. Oh shoot. Yeah, I think it's gonna need inner tie rods as well. Oh, son of a bitch. It's always how it goes, right? Nice. Toast. Alright, it's always a nice surprise, you know, when you're tearing into something and then you see some more broken stuff. So yeah, I went ahead and ruled out, you know, getting tires in the alignment today. But we're gonna finish the mission. It's always a cool feeling, you know, opening up brand new parts. So we're gonna be doing outer tie rod, sway bar end link straight out of the package. We want a crispy lower ball joint. right, let's throw these back on the car. My God. I kind of don't trust how this lower ball joint doesn't use a castle nut, so I'm gonna use thread locker on this nut right here. With the left.
Yep. That'll do it. That ain't going anywhere.
All right, so that's one side done. We're just gonna hit up this other side. Just do that John Cena. And just like that, we got all the new parts in about like half the time. All right, so then I'm about to do a little DIY alignment, just kind of get the wheels pointing straight, and maybe be like another week before I can actually put tires and smog it and register it and all that fun legal stuff. After though, I'm gonna be daily driving the Celica to work because surprise is in store for the Matrix. Car's back down on the ground. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me again on my journey to making this a solid daily driver. Today we accomplished the sway bar end links, tie rod ends, lower ball joints. Next we're gonna have to hit up CV axles, inner tie rods, brakes, then get tires in alignment, and then it'll be ready to daily drive just in time for spring. And I'm gonna have to because the Supra decided to betray me. My carrier bearing for the drive shaft failed, so I'm gonna have to bring that in. While I'm dropping the drive shaft, I'm gonna be changing the input and output shaft seals on the transmission, and I'm gonna drop the subframe. We're gonna replace those 38-year-old subframe bushings. We're gonna be going with some PowerFlex polyurethane subframe bushings, and I'm sure it's gonna be easy. Also this weekend, March 15th, I'm going to be hitting up a Begon night over at Napa Valley College. I'll be bringing it back to where I once went to school. I'll be taking the Matrix. Feel free to come by. There's going to be food trucks. Say what's up. I'll give you a sticker. Keep driving those slow cars fast. Pass on the left.